Hi everyone, this is a special little video for those of you who have decided to use Figma on the browser rather than the desktop. I said there's not many differences, this is one of them. Even if you are a desktop only version user, there's loads of times where you end up jumping in the browser and fonts is going to be one of the things that are a little strange. What I mean by that is, let me show you. I got the desktop version, okay, open on my computer, and I've got the browser version. They look very similar, except for there's this little house button. Remember that earlier in the video where I jumped back in? It was this video that I realized, there's a little house here, and it's not on the browser version. Remember, it's over there. Okay, anyway. So the other difference is that fonts that are, when I'm working in the browser, let me explain it better. And I go my type tool and I start typing, what you'll notice is that the fonts in the browser version is less than the amount that you have on your desktop version. So to fix that problem, to make sure that all the fonts on your system end up inside the browser here, all you need to do is go to Figma, okay, the website, and do a search for, at the moment it's in downloads, okay, this one here, okay, but have a look for the font installer and just install the version for your operating system, and it will then suck up all of your fonts from your desktop, okay, or your computer or laptop, and put them into the browser version, and all will be well. All right, that's it. Short video. I'll see you in the next one.